Hello again. Together with me, I have Dr. Ioannis Katsoyiannis. He's an associate professor of environmental technology at the Department of Chemistry of Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. He is the president of the Hellenic Industrial Property Academy and member of the Administrative Council of the Hellenic Industrial Property Organization. Hello, Dr. Katsoyiannis, and welcome.
Thank you very much, Ms. Siraki. It's my pleasure to participate in the forum and also, of course, to be with you today and give some information which will be very useful, I believe, for the participants.
Let's start with the Hellenic Industrial Property Organization, which is the qualified institution for the protection of inventions and industrial designs. What are currently your activities as an institution and your goals for the future?
Yes, the Hellenic Industrial Property Organization, in general, is the responsible organization body for receiving applications for new inventions, for patents. We also issue certificates for protection for medicine, new chemicals like pesticides, and devices like in pediatrics and medicine in general. We also are eligible to receive European international patent applications, and also we are the responsible body in Greece for receiving application for industrial designs. Now, regarding activities that we are currently running and have a direct effect, I would say, application to the society, I would like to mention two of them. The first one is the participation in the program Authenticities, which is a coordinated effort by the European Union Industrial Property Organization in close cooperation with the EU office. And this has the main aim to create a culture to the European citizens of buying only authentic products. And further, in this aim, we intend to create a vibrant network of European cities that participate in this program. Just to mention, already cities from Spain, Alicante and Malaga, from France, Paris, from Italy, Rome, Ravenna, and Milan, and from Greece, the first city which participates is Thessaloniki in this project. And it is, I would say, very important because tries to engage the population of Thessaloniki and, of course, in general of the whole country in order to, on the one side, buy only authentic products, but on the other side also to note when illegal actions regarding the selling of fraud products to be noted to the local committees, local authorities. And for this reason, we have created an application in the phone, so one can search and download the application, which is to give a note to the authorities, for example, the municipal police, that somewhere there's a spot where illegal products are sold. Of course, the main aim is to protect the European economy and the national economies from loss of taxes. Now, the other activity which I also would like to mention very briefly is the launch of the Hellenic Inventors Award. And this is very important because we will award the best inventions that have taken place in the past years. The deadline for application is 15th of December. And more information for people who are interested in applying can be found in the webpage of the International Industrial Property Organization. And also I will give more information about this tomorrow in my presentation. These two activities are running at the moment, and they are going to be enriched, of course, with other activities in the future, which will come soon in the news.
Dr. Katsoyiannis, during the spread of COVID-19, are you dedicated in the research of possible technologies to deal with the spread of the coronavirus, including medical equipment such as devices and systems for detection and diagnosis of persons who might have been infected by the disease?
Yes, this is a very important question, actually, because through this pandemic that we are all experiencing, I'm in position to know that there is a lot of research and development in the Greek scientific community in order, on the one side, to create tools to timely identify the concentrations of the virus, and also, of course, there is a lot of research in creating new pharmaceuticals, for example, that will abate the virus, or also, of course, the vaccines that we all hear every day in the news. This, of course, we expect in the Industrial Property Organization of Greece that soon will bring us also new applications for protecting these new inventions. I would say that it's too early to give some data about this, some numbers. But based on the knowledge that I have as a professor also of the university about the research that is going on at the moment, I'm very optimistic and pretty sure actually that we will have an increased number of applications in the near future, which will have also, I'm really sure, a very high commercial application and success.
And let's say a few words about the Hellenic Industrial Property Academy, which is a very new institution. What exactly is its purpose?
Thank you very much for this question. As you know, I have the honor to be selected by the Ministry of Inventions and Development of Greece to be the president of the academy, the Hellenic Industrial Property Academy, which actually was launched in 2019, and this is actually at the end of 2019. So this is actually the first year of its operation. And it's a very important tool that the Industrial Property Organization has decided to bring in force, because the main aim is to educate and, let's say, create the first patent agents in Greece. This is a job, I would say, that is missing from the country. And how we will do this? We will put in place an educational program which will intend to qualify scientists with a very strong technical background, but also who would have also relevant law knowledge in order to be able, on the one side, to draft the patent, and on the other side, will be eligible to submit the patent to the Industrial Property Organization. And we do believe strongly that this will encourage more and more inventors to prepare the patent and submit it to the Hellenic Industrial Property Organization. And believe me, this is the one of the most important steps to have a successful transfer of innovation into the commercial product, because this is the way that you can protect your invention. To fulfill our goals, we have created several very important, I would say, cooperations. First of all, of course, with the European Patent Office and the European Patent Academy, and also with the World Intellectual Property Office, which sits in Geneva, in Switzerland. We do have also two very active collaborations with the European Public Law Organization, the EPLO, and also with the Technical Chamber in Greece. And with the cooperation that we have with these two organizations, we intend, on one side, to create the educational program that we want to apply for the first students, let's say, that will enroll our classes. And with the technical chamber, we want to take advantage of their experience and enforce the so-called, let's say, learning by doing in the industries, which will be a very important part of their education, because we do want that our patent agents will have also hands-on experience on creating an innovative tool which will become a patent in the future. And we are now in the first steps of creating our program. So we expect, if everything goes well, to have our first students, let's say, taking classes from September 2021. Of course, the pandemic, we hope that will be resolve the situation, and we will have more access, let's say, to the tools with the public, with personnel.
Thank you very much, Dr. Katsoyiannis. Your messages have been very helpful, and we hope that we have more inventions that would generally help the society.
I also thank you very much for this invitation, and I hope this information I gave will be of use to the future inventors.